Mamangi class ta ekoi vector and scalar gi theory ne na kre adagi aina si angang sing na koi da sai thamningi bo pham si kai no da koi Manipur gi chhatra maru ina ekoi gi weak point si kai no hai ta di problem hot gi skill ji khra wali aduga NEET ta hangi si yamna problem si yamna hot problem yam hangi koi gi vector and scalar ji class 11 gi unit 2 the yauragasu masigi application si mayam si say unit 5 the 6 the 7 the or 12 ki syllabus ki manung da chapter sing da dum hangba si thenei aduna aina ngasigi class si dadi maroina problem hot pagi skill adu khar develop to yana ba ai ngasigi class si semani say yengasi sigi question ji the charge potential, the electric potential at a point xyz is given by this B equal to minus x square y minus xz cube plus b. The electric field at that point is adudi sigi question je si nakona class 12 ta tamaiba knowledge na kumbada khara kano way di nakona say electric intensity is defined as negative gradient of the potential function. Negative gradient of the potential function then say in one dimension da say E equal to minus dV by dx in three dimension conductor d E equal to grade V sigi kano si say grade V is kaino hai ta di minus I del by del x plus j del by del y plus k del by del z del by del z of V potential. Sigi relation je say E je intensity si vector quantity ni, so vector amaga potential is in a scalar ni. How a vector is related with a vector sigi relation jita leduni. So this is vector quantity see because sigi bracket yaur si vector quantity ni adon sigi equation sigi matung ina koi hot ka doine ado si sugumba si adom hangi sigi question simak 2009 da AIPMT da hangiba all India competitive exam medical gi for the selection of MBBS student BTS student hangiba dugumba question ni adu si question ji naina si aduna si question ji naina hona bada noina like the yawbot one dimension sigi ji one dimension ni three dimension kana kanda koi grade V as a intensity is equal to negative gradient of the potential function as she palaganda hot kaduni. Now so what is the potential given here? Potential potential V equal to minus x square y minus x z cube plus 4. Now potential is given. Then intensity E equal to minus grade B, or say minus I del by del x plus j del by del y plus k del by del z. So minus x square y minus x z cube plus 4. See, while differentiating with respect to x, we treat y and z as constant. While differentiating with respect to y, we treat x and z as constant. While differentiating with respect to z, we treat x and y as constant. So this is a minus. Now differentiate with respect to x. This equation with respect to x, differentiate or minus twice xy minus z cube, then plus j, differentiate with respect to y, then this is a minus x square plus k, differentiate with respect to z, so it is minus 3xz square. So now take a minus common, now multiplied both sides by minus, so it is I 2xy plus z cube plus jx square plus k 3xz square. So the answer is D. D is the answer. Now this is the second question. This is 2014 ge NEET ta hangi. NEET 2014. In a region, the potential is represented by, now potential is a function of x, y, z hai ni ko. So 6x minus 8xy minus 8y plus 6yz. So potential is given by this, where B is in volt and x, y, z are in meters. The electric force experienced by a charge of 2 coulomb situated at point 111 is. Sidi ako nang ngasagi to maina, intensity equal to negative gradient of the potential function. So this minus I del by del x plus j del by del y plus k del by del z, and potential is 6x minus 8xy minus 8y plus 6yz. So now differentiate or see. So minus I, so this is x minus 8y plus j, differentiate with respect to y, so minus 8x minus 8 plus 6z, then differentiate with respect to z, so 6y only. Now intensity at point, so question is intensity at point 111 hai ni, point 111 means x equal to 1, y equal to 1, z equal to 1. So see sinjalasi. So intensity equal to minus I 6 minus 8 plus j minus 8 minus 8 plus 6 plus k 6. So city कहता है say 2i, so minus minus plus, so it is 2i. Then 8, what is this? Nipan and Nitratu 16 minus 10. This is 10 plus 10j, then minus 6k. Then so this is intensity at this point. Now find the magnitude of this. 2 square plus 10 square plus minus 6 square equal to 4 plus 100 plus 36. So this is 140. So this is 2 root 35. Now in the question it is given that what is the force on charge Q. We know that force equal to QE. So this is Q is 2 into E is 2 root 35. So it is 4 root 35 Newton. So 4 root 35 Newton is the answer. So D is the answer. Asugumba yamna kaino oiba question se adum NEET ki parikha sida adum hangi angang kharadi question pa da bida si adum hundomba mayam yawi ko aduna ne maruina ina ngasi gi video si semjabani maruina application of vectors or vector operations, vector algebra in physics. Sini aina maruina no the emphasis spinning is. Next question, say a wire carrying current I has the shape as shown in adjoining figure. Linear parts of the wire are very long and parallel to x-axis, while semicircular portion of radius r is lying in yz plane. Magnetic field at point O is. Say akhoina siki 3 dimension yengba haibata ka ore. Siki question ji NEET 2015 da hangego. Si question ji yam khitang complex way adubu yamna lubo oiroi. Si yengsi sida si kaino. Okay. Check current si I si som chele si semicircle path de la then si the muk chengre. Current I si says chele doita di. So what is the magnetic field at O? Now this is x-axis. This is y-axis, this is z-axis. Adoita di che koi sida che P Q R S T harasi. Now akona straight conductor, straight current carrying conductor amana R lapa one end of the conductor dagi R lapa infinitely long straight conductor adutagi magnetic field akoi khange aro sida putokodo si akona magnetic field at O due to straight conductor PQ is sige PQ is na me O the people magnetic field do say B1 again B1 equal to say mu naught by 4 pi I by R, and direction of magnetic field is minus K, means along negative Z axis. Then second part is magnetic field at O due to semicircular path QRS is the semicircle. So since the magnetic field B2 equal to mu naught by 4 pi I by R, and the direction of magnetic field at O due to this semicircular current carrying coil is you use right hand thumb rule. So using right hand thumb rule, the magnetic field will be along negative x axis, that is minus I. Then magnetic field at O due to straight conductor ST is B3 equal to, so magnetic field to the say mu naught by 4 pi I by R, and direction is along this, so minus K. Hence total magnetic field is B equal to B1 plus B2 plus B3. So this is say mu naught by 4 pi I by R minus K plus mu naught by 4 pi I by R minus I plus mu naught by 4 pi I by R minus K. So this becomes a minus common lower minus 4 mu naught by 4 pi I by R common lower D, say pi I, then tensionality plus twice K. So magnetic field at O is this. So for this, A is the answer. When a question ji hek ubada haidong mande kana hek thadomba aduna ne aina nogi damakta kano se yam daka oi problem hot pagi skill yam daka oi hena aina noida thamningi si aduna yamna su pakat kanu question do munna pau adagi question do munna para kanda dum my solution tholakani. Matangi question sina, if vector is given A equal to this, say A equal to cos omega Ti plus sin omega Tj, and B equal to cos omega t by 2i plus sine omega t by 2j. Now a, b, two vectors a and b are given. So this vector. Then the value of t at which they are orthogonal. Mamagi class what is orthogonal vector I high orthogonal vector I think I know the perpendicular web. The A ga B ga perpendicular oita gadi what is the value of t have name. So sige question G NEET 2015 say NEET phase 2 NEET phase 2 2015 ki kano hangi ko say adoita ati si hola si sida for A to be perpendicular to B A ga B ga perpendicular oi kya hai tadi A dot B equal to 0. For two vectors A and B to be perpendicular, their dot product should be 0. So what is A cos omega ti plus sine omega t j dot cos omega t by 2i plus sine omega t by 2j, so equal to 0. So by using the definition of dot product, the properties of dot product between unit vectors, we know that it is cos omega t by 2 plus sine omega t by 2 equal to 0. Now it becomes the cos A minus B. Cos A minus B is cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. So this we can put as cos omega t minus omega t by 2 equal to 0. Omega t minus omega t by 2, cos of this equal to 0 means it is pi by 2. So this is omega t by 2 equal to pi by 2 to cancel. Therefore t equal to pi by omega. T equal to pi by omega. So t equal to pi by omega. So answer is C. So matangi question sina sisu mamangi hangi badugo adumane sina NEET 2015 phase 2 da hangi ko phase 2 NEET phase 2 2015 da hangi mamang da siga manaba question yaukre. If potential in volt in a region is expressed as V function of x, y, z is 6xy minus y plus 2yz. The electric field means electric field intensity in Newton per second at 0.110 is. So electric field equal to negative gradient of the potential function. So this is a minus I del by del x plus j del by del y plus k del by del z 6xy minus y plus 2yz. So now differentiate with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x means 6y plus j, differentiate with respect to y, so 6x minus 1 plus 2z plus differentiate with respect to z. So it is 2y. Now intensity at point 110 means x equal to 1, y equal to 1, z equal to 0. So intensity at 110 equal to minus I 6 into 1 plus j 6 into 1 minus 1 plus 0 because z is 0 plus k 2 into 1. So see minus puri radi 6i plus so minus adam thamse ko. So this is 5j plus 2k. So intensity equal to minus 6i plus 5j plus 2k. So this is option B. Intensity equal to negative gradient of the potential function is one dimension the yang bamiang 3 dimension the yang bamiang sige question jige when the potential is a function of x y z aduna kona 3 dimension gi kanoda khanar kadoini. Now next question. So next question, see, a particle moves from a point minus 2i plus 5j to this 4j plus 3k. When a force of this is applied, how much work has been done by the force? Sige question ji NEET 2016 phase 2 da hange ko phase 2 da hange sijo vector application ni aduga chapter na work power energy dagi ni ko. So work done is kaino work done is force dot displacement. Very simple question. Here force is given. Here force is 4i plus 3j force. So this is Newton. Now dot displacement. So the particle moves from this point to this point. So displacement here, displacement is say r equal to r2 minus r1. So r2 is 4j plus 3k minus r1 is minus 2i plus 5j. So it is 4j plus 3k plus 2i minus 5j. So So what is I? 2I minus j plus 3k. So this is a displacement. So displacement is 2I minus j plus 3k. This is in meter. Now see dot product or see 4 into 2 8 minus 3 k term yaudre sida. So this is 0. So this is Newton meter, or this is 5 joule. Newton meter is joule. So the answer is C, 5 joule. The question she muna pau ondagi kari formula sinagado no karamba relation, physical relation sinagado no do muna yeng tare. Adu si vector operation as am important way to ne ina no da thamning isi. Now next is an electron of mass m with initial velocity v equal to v naught I, means v naught I means the velocity is along positive x-axis I, enters an electric field E equal to minus E naught I. Intensity is also along x-axis where E naught is constant at t equal to 0. If lambda naught is its de Broglie wavelength initially, then the de Broglie wavelength at time t is. Now so for this electric field E equal to minus E naught I, electric field E. Then velocity is given as v naught I. Then force on the electron, although the F equal to minus E, because charge of electron is minus. So this E naught I. So E naught I. Then acceleration produced. Find out the acceleration. So we know force E equal to mass into acceleration. So acceleration equal to E naught I divided by m. So this is the acceleration. Now velocity of electron after time t is v naught plus at. So this v naught, what is v naught? V naught is v naught I now you can put as u naught, v equal to u plus at. So u naught initial velocity is v naught I plus, so what is acceleration? Acceleration E naught by m t, direction is I. So this is v naught plus E naught t divided by m I. Then magnitude of the velocity is equal to v naught plus E naught by m t. So this is the velocity of the electron after time t. Now the Broglie wavelength is lambda t equal to h divided by mass into velocity. So this h divided by mass velocity is v naught plus e naught by m t. Now h m v naught common law, that are the 1 plus e naught by m v naught t. Now by question, lambda naught, the Broglie wavelength at t equal to 0 is h by m v naught. So now we substitute this by lambda naught. So lambda naught by 1 plus e naught by m v naught t. So this is a de Broglie wavelength at time t. So for this answer is A. Aina sang na hot pa wani ko noi kano gi matung na shorten torga sat atum hot pa yai aina sum noi da mun na khangan ning bagi koi thong na hot pa wani. You can make it shorten. Now the moment of the force F equal to this at 8.20 minus 3 means force is given and this is the position and this is the initial position, final position, then what is the moment of the force. So sige question is you say NEET 2018 here force is 4I plus 5J minus 6K. Then initial point, initial position, say R1, initial position R1 is equal to 2I minus 2J minus 2K. This is the initial position. Final position R2 is equal to R2 decay water hai 2I minus 3K because there is no Y component. Then say displacement or radius vector, you can say R equal to R2 minus R1. So this 2I minus 3K minus 2I plus 2J plus 2K. So minus 2J plus so I cancel. I cancel, so 2J plus 2J minus k. Then moment of the force. Moment of the force is si torque ko torque. Torque si mamangi cluster torque is defined as R cross F and defined right. So RD say I J K so 0 2 minus 1 40 4 5 minus 6 4 5 minus 6. So this is I minus 12 plus 5 minus J 0 plus 4 plus K 0 minus 8. So finally we get minus 7I minus 4J minus 8K. So torque is defined as the cross product between R and F. So for this answer is minus 7I minus 4J minus K 8K minus 7I minus 4J minus 8K. So D is the answer. Then next question is, a body of mass 1 kg begins to move under the action of a time dependent force. So force is given, time dependent force. Force is this, where I and J are unit vectors along X and Y axis. What power will be developed by the force at time t? So power. See question G, NEET 2016 hangego. Ada power is power P is see force dot velocity name. Force ka velocity ka ki dot product of force and velocity ne power is. So we have to find out what is the velocity of the particle. Now force is given in the question. Force is 2ti plus 3t square j. Force is this. Then we know that force is equal to mass into acceleration. So acceleration is dv by dt, because according to Newton's second law, force is defined as the product of mass and acceleration. Acceleration is differentiation of velocity with respect to time. So now mass is, what is mass of the body? Mass, here mass is 1 kg. So dv by dt equal to 2ti plus 3t square. Then dv equal to twice ti plus 3t square j. So this j into dt. Now integrate. Integrating, we get. So integrate dv equal to integration 2ti plus 3t square j into dt. So this is velocity equal to integrate 2t square by 2i plus 3t cube by 3j So finally we get velocity equal to t square I plus t cube j. Now power P equal to force dot velocity. So what is force? Force is 2ti plus 3t square j. 2ti plus 3t square j dot velocity is t square I plus t cube j. Now this is twice t cube I plus 3 t to the power 5 j. So there will be no ij. So power equal to 2t cube plus 3 t to the power 5. This is in watt because force is in Newton and velocity is in meter per second. So what is the answer? Answer is this C, 2t cube plus 3t to the power 5 watt. Ara nakhona sigi NEET ki or G gi prepare to matamda theory khak pabya de aduna hangiba question ji physics study amna tricky oiba dagi kano mayam hangi aduna noina problem solve to gi skill ji si develop to no hona kadamni like pa abda munna physics di munna padabe ade haidi physics study question ji different question ji onthang osin toroga hangba yai aduna ai honaba matamda sumaina problem solve to gi skill ji yamna develop to no hona si adoita gati noi yam laina sigi kano si mai pa pangam gani